Hello kids, welcome back to Sonny's Playhouse. Today we'll be learning about animals. Wow, okay, so that's animals. What kind of animal is that? That's a penguin. What's that? That says bear. Wow. What's this? It's a monkey. Wow. What's this? Oh, that's an elephant. Ooh, the king of the jungle. It's a lion. Ooh, he looks hungry. What's that? It's a panda. Ooh, this one looks more hungry. That's a hippo. Ooh, what does this look like? I'll give a hint. It's me, a giraffe. Wow, those are pretty nice. Now, in animals, what else is included? Now, pets like cats. Rabbit. What's that? It's a pony. That's a piggy. Wow. That's a dog. Is that a chicken? It's a hen. And that's a birdie. So these are all pets. Oh, what's in there? It's in a fishbowl too. I just said it. Oh man, it's a fish. Wow. Now, come on, your turn. What's that? It's a cat. What's this? It's a rabbit. Is that a horse? It's a pony. But it's also a horse at the same time. What's this? It's a pig. Ooh, I had a friend dog. Now it's a dog. What's this? It's a chicken. Wow. And what's this? It's a birdie. Little birdie. Now I'll let you guys. So what am I? I'm not a fish. I'm not a hen. Let's check the other side. Am I a penguin? Am I a monkey? Am I a bear? Or am I a giraffe? Tell me to stop. Stop. Oh, am I a bear? No. Am I a monkey? Nope. Am I a giraffe? Yes. Wow, we solved it, guys. Yay. All right, see you in the next episode.